Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the ABS brake module fuses are located, you guys by the way have up to 4 fuses in kind of like 2 different fuse boxes. There is something hidden there. Stay with us, we'll talk about that, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So where can guys expect to find the fuses for the ABS brake module? We'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion. We will work actually in 2 fuse boxes located at the same location. It's super weird, you'll see that now guys. But open the hood, and here on the driver's side, okay, under the hood, you see that cover that looks like a T? Go ahead and remove it. Underneath is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Guys, here what we need to check: 4 fuses, but in that box specifically only 1. Then we need to go to a different one, check 3 more. Here if you come in that row of fuses, you need to check fuse number, okay, 25. So that double fuse right here, that's 25 and 26, the top portion is for the ABS brake module. Now if we come under guys, okay, the hood again, there are 2 tabs that if you release, you're going to be able to flip that whole fuse box, okay, on the side. And underneath guys, you have on the bottom of that same fuse box, on the bottom side, you have hidden fuses. And here things get a little bit interesting. Here we need to check guys a few more fuses. One of them is fuse number 69, and 69 is that fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 82. You may or may not have this one, depending on the years guys. You may have all of them or just some. And then you need to check fuse number 87, that big fuse right here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.